Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we saw how to find the largest number in the list using max built-in function. Today we'll write this program using another method, that is, to find the largest number in the given list. First we will sort that list. After sorting that list in the ascending order, the last value of that sorted list will be the largest number present in that list. So we will print that. We can also sort the list in the descending order. Then the first value of that sorted list will be the largest number present in that list. So we can print that result. So here we are using sorting method to find the largest number in the given list. And to sort the list, I am using the sort list method. There is a list method called sort. Here you can see sort. So key none, reverse is false, that is it will sort the list in the ascending order and it will return none. And if you take reverse as true, it will sort the list in the descending order. Alright, this is the program which we wrote in the previous tutorial. Here we used max method to find the largest number in the given list. Today we want to use list sort method. So for that, first list 1, create an empty list and here take length of list, how many element you want in the list. Then enter the element. This is the message which will print in the output screen. And here we are using loop to take the multiple inputs and will append that value to list 1. This is to take the user input for the list. Then here we used max function, but today we don't want this. We want to sort the list first. As I said, to sort the list we are using sort method. So we need to mention the list which I want to sort. So list 1 is the list name here. And next we have sort method. So now what it will do is, this sort method will sort this list 1, the original list. It will sort the original list. It will return the value none. We don't want to store the returned value because it will return none. And it will sort the original list. That's why list1.sort. So now list 1 is sorted. Here if you want you can print that. And it will sort the list in the ascending order. Now list 1 is sorted. So we want largest number in the given list. For that you need to print the last value of list. For that I am using -1. It is the index of the last value in the list. Okay, so let's save this program and run this program. Length of list. So let's enter the elements. This is the sorted list 2, 11, 22, 44, 66 and the largest number is the 66. If you want, here you can print. This is the sorted list. Before sorting, this is the actual list. Okay, now let's save and run. This is the entered value. Here you can see 55, 33, 11, 88, 9. Sorted list is 9, 11, 33, 55, 88. It is sorted in the ascending order. The largest number in the given list is 88. Now as I said, you can sort the list in the descending order also. For that, here in the sort method you need to mention reverse as true. Now here you need to take index as 0 because we are sorting the list in the descending order. In the descending order, the first value will be the largest number. So mention the index 0. So save and run. And enter. List is 11, 66, 3, 22, 88. Sorted list is 88, 66, 22, 11 and 3. It is sorted in the descending order, and here the largest value will be the first value present in the sorted list, and that is 88. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.